How to enable or disable clean preview on HDMI display for camera output on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this 4-dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on camera assistant. After click on camera assistant, scroll down and you will see clean preview on HDMI displays. Here if you want to disable clean preview on HDMI displays, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, clean preview on HDMI displays disable. If you want to enable clean preview on HDMI display, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, clean preview on HDMI display is enabled. You will enable or disable clean preview on HDMI from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable clean preview on HDMI displays on camera output on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.